leaders of this nation. Mahatma Gandhi ji, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji. They were not just great leaders, but the very essence of India. Their lives and principles are guiding lights of this nation. And today, we reaffirm our commitment to the values they have passed down to us. And on this now